Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this Bissel little green carpet cleaning machine here, and I got this thing off of Amazon. And today basically we're gonna unbox it, lay everything out, load it up with solution and water, and I really wanted to put this thing through the test. You see all these BS infomercials all the time where they test these things out, spill a little bit of fresh whatever it is, and clean it up and show you how miraculous the product is. Well, I always thought those were a little far-fetched and kind of BS, to be honest with you. So once I have this unboxed and set up and ready to go, we're going to be cleaning the stairs here. And as you can see, these things are filthy. Like, let's just go all the way down. They are absolutely filthy, guys. So this is going to be a complete test for this machine. We're going to see what it can do without any pre-treatment, without any agitation with the brush. It's just going to be vacuum up the loose debris, get the machine out, and we'll put it to the test. I'll do the right side first, and then we'll do a kind of a comparison shot to see what the difference is. Okay guys, I'm gonna get the video cut here and take everything out of the box and show you what it comes with. Okay, well there you have it. So I got everything out of the box, and basically pretty simple. Comes with the unit itself. You get a sample of the professional pet spot and stain cleaner. You get the little couple of brackets here, and then the actual main cleaning tool right here, which is like the head, I guess. It looked a lot bigger when it was in the picture, but should do the trick. Okay, and then you got the owner's manual, and that's it. So just those three things. And I understand that this is made for small stains, pet stains and all that, but the idea remains the same, and it should be able to do a decent job on these stairs. And I've never tried this machine before, so whatever happens, happens. We'll see what the results are. Okay, so I'm basically gonna go load this thing up, set everything up here, and we'll get back to it and we'll start doing the right side of the steps here. Alright guys, we're all set up and ready to go. What I've gone ahead and done is I took my vacuum and I pre-cleaned all of the debris off of the area just so it doesn't end up clogging or wrecking the machine. So that's all good to go. And I got the solution in the tank on the left hand side. The other side there is just for the wastewater. And my first initial impression on this thing, I turned it on. It is pretty loud, but what do you expect from a carpet cleaning machine? Second thing I really like about it is the fact that it can sit on the stairs the way it is without falling or tipping over. And the third thing that I like so far, without actually having tested the machine, is that it's got a huge cord. So if these were longer steps, you could easily make it to the top. Okay guys, we're going to get into this. It's going to be a no BS, straight out of the box test to see what this thing can do. Okay, let's go. 3 steps here on the just on the right hand side here. I don't know how well that's going to come out on camera, but in person I see a pretty big difference between the 1/3 of the step on the right compared to the left. And basically what I did was I sprayed solution on it, let it sit and soak in there for about a minute or two, and then I went over with the tool and brushed it a little bit, and then took it a little slower with a little bit more pressure to get the solution out. And so I just did the face of the step and then the side of it as well there. I'm not sure what that pink stain is in the bottom right hand, or the top right hand corner of the bottom step, but been there for years and it couldn't touch that. But for no pre-treatment, no agitation with a brush or anything like that, you know what, man? It's pretty good. Like, this was years and years of dirt. And here, I'll show you an overhead here. In my opinion, straight out of the box, that's pretty damn good. Had I spilt maybe, had I spilt some fresh liquid and cleaned that up for you, it probably would have done a spectacular job like they show in the infomercials, but that's not real life, guys. This is. And I think this is a good product. So I'm happy with the purchase. I bought it primarily for using in the car, so for automotive seats and whatnot. And for the price I paid, yeah, I'm totally happy. So I'm going to link it in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing. I'll be making a couple more videos probably with this machine in action in the car, so look forward to that. And now I'm gonna cut the video, shut her off, and finish off the rest of the steps here. Okay, thanks guys. Okay guys, so here are some of the results after finishing up with the stairs. And keep in mind that this is a fairly quick job. Like I said before, there was no pre-treatment, there was no pre-scrubbing. Just get the machine out of the box, set it up. Let's get at it. So, high traffic steps that haven't been cleaned in years and years, and it's a light color carpet, so some of the spots actually look a lot worse in the video than they are in person, but years of wear and tear. This is better than I actually expected. I didn't think it was going to come out this good with such a cheap little machine here. So there you have it. So here are the final results. After spending probably about an hour and a half with the machine, including filming, I'd say they came out pretty decently. As you can probably tell in the video, the highest traffic spots are right down the center. And those could probably use a bit more work, but next time what we'll do is we'll pre-treat them, agitate them with my drill brush, and hit it with the machine again, and it's probably going to come out 10 times better. But for a quick test of the machine, I think it did a pretty good job. They're probably going to take a few hours to dry, but overall, I'm very happy. Now we're going to go outside and we're going to pull the dirty water out of this thing, and I'll show you what that looks like. Well, folks, there you have it. That was my unboxing and test of the little green Proheat pet machine. It's for pets, but it's also amazing around the house. And I'm going to use it in my car, and we'll see how that does. But so far, I gotta say I'm beyond impressed with this machine, especially for the price that I paid. It performed way better than I expected. And as you can see, the dirty water there, it's about a third of the way compared to where the new water was, or the clean water. So it leaves a little bit of solution in the steps, but that's to be expected. But I gotta say, my stairs, while not 100%, they came out way better than I thought they would. So for the price I paid, I do highly recommend getting this machine. And then while I can't speak to the longevity of the product, I can definitely give you my first impressions, and I'm definitely impressed. Things I like about it: it has a long power cord. It's easily sits on the stairs without falling, and it was cheap. It was I think $140 on Amazon. So compared to what you'd pay to get your carpets cleaned, that's not bad at all. Some of the things that I wish it had that it doesn't have is definitely a longer hose. The hose was, in my opinion, pretty short. I had to keep it pretty close to me to avoid this thing tipping over. But other than that, I love this machine. I would definitely recommend getting it. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to quickly pause this video and we're going to do everyone's favorite part and show you what kind of dirty water came out of this thing. Okay guys, let's take a look at what kind of crap came out of these stairs. And I can already tell you just by taking the bottle out of the machine, it reeks. So we'll see what's going to come out of this thing. Oh, that is so disgusting. I think that's all we're gonna get out of that, but holy crap. Oh, the smell is just horrible, guys. See what's left in this thing. I'm gonna have to rinse it out. Oh, look at all that crap on the bottom of this. Probably should have done a better job vacuuming so I didn't have all these chunks in there, but it is what it is. Next time. So before I put this away now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this tank to make sure all that stuff's not stuck in there. That is nasty. Look at that thing. Pour this out and hopefully not spill any of it in the process. Oh, it fucking smells so bad. Let's put it out in the grass. Oof. Jeez. That all came out of our steps. 5 or 6 of them. Just from this little machine. Well guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thanks guys.
Perfect.